Myself, Patwari DN, working as lecturer in computer science in this Sri Shivaji College, Parbhani. In this video, we see that last point of the first chapter, that distributed systems. Distributed system is a collection of physically separate and possibly heterogeneous, means different computer systems that are networked to provide users with access to the various resources that system maintains. This is a definition of distributed systems. Access to a shared resource increases computational speed, functionality, data availability, and reliability. Some operating systems generalize network access to form as a form of file access with details of networking contained in the network interface's device driver. Others make user specificality invoke network functions. A system contains a mix of two modes, for example, FTP and NFS. FTP means File Transfer Protocol and NFS means Network File Systems. The protocols that create a distributed system can greatly affect the system's utility and popularity. A network, in simple terms, is a communication path between two or more systems. Distributed systems depend on networking of their functionality. Networks vary by the protocols used, comma, the distance between nodes, and the transport media. TCP/IP is the most common network protocol and it provides the fundamental architecture of the internet. Most of operating systems support TCP/IP, including all general purpose operating systems. Some systems support proprietary protocols to suit their needs. To an operating system, a network protocol simply needs an interface device, that is a network adapter, for example with a device driver to manage it, as well as software to handle data. Networks are characterized based on their nodes, distances between their nodes. Example, a LAN, local area network, connect computers within a room, a building or campus. A WAN, wide area network, links buildings, cities and countries. A global company may have WAN to connect offices worldwide. These networks may run one protocol or several protocols. The continuing advantage of new technologies brings about a form of networks. For example, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, could link buildings within a city. Bluetooth and 802.11 devices use wireless technology to communicate over a distance of several feet. There is creating a PAN, personal area network, between a phone and headset or a smartphone and desktop computer. The media to carry networks are equally varied and they include copper wires, fiber strands, and wireless transmissions between satellites, microwave dishes, and radios. When computing devices are connected to a cellular phones, they create a network. Every very short range, even very short range infrared communication can be used for networking. Whenever computers communicate, they use or create a network, and these networks also vary in their performance and reliability. Some operating systems have taken the concept of networks and distributed system as a concept of providing network connectivity. A network operating system is operating system that provides features such as file sharing across the network along with communication scheme that allow different processes on different computers to exchange messages. A computer running a network operating system acts autonomously from other computers on the network. Although it is aware of the network and able to communicate with other network computers, a distributed operating system provides less automation environment and different computers communicate closely enough to provide illusion that it works as a single operating system to control the network. Thank you and welcome to all for this completion of this distributed system. Dear students, in this way we complete our first chapter of operating system. Thank you very much.